Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best 8-gauge marine wire is probably one of the most critical components for any boat's electrical system, ensuring reliable power delivery to everything from your navigation lights and fish finders to your bilge pumps and stereo systems. Choosing the right marine-grade wire is paramount, as it must withstand the harsh marine environment, including constant exposure to moisture, salt, UV rays, and extreme temperature fluctuations, all while maintaining its conductivity and integrity over time. This video will dive deep into what makes a marine wire truly exceptional, helping you make an informed decision for your vessel's safety and performance. Number 5. InstallGear 8-gauge power wire 25 feet. This is a true 8-gauge CCA wire, 25 feet in length. It comes in red for easy polarity identification and ensures efficient energy transfer for your car audio, battery, or trailer needs. Crafted with flexible copper-clad aluminum strands, it offers reliable power delivery at a lighter weight than pure copper. This provides both performance and cost efficiency. Its rugged PVC jacket is resistant to oil, gas, impact, and heat. This makes it ideal for demanding vehicle, RV, trailer, and outdoor wiring setups. Installation is made simple with color-coded red jacketing for safe polarity matching. This helps prevent shorts in your amplifiers, solar kits, or stereo projects. This flexible wire is universally compatible across vehicles. It reliably supports speaker, inverter, or welding installations with automotive-grade dependability. What we like. This wire offers true 8-gauge CCA for efficient energy transfer. Its flexible copper-clad aluminum build provides reliable power at a lighter weight. The durable jacket is resistant to harsh conditions, making it ideal for various vehicle and outdoor setups. If you're looking for a cost-effective and robust solution for your car audio, battery, or trailer needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The wire is flexible and easy to work with, making installation a breeze. It holds up well in harsh marine environments, resisting corrosion and wear. The gauge is accurate, ensuring proper current flow for marine applications. Number 4. InstallGear 8-gauge wire, 50 feet, copper-clad aluminum CAA. Experience superior power delivery with our true-spec 4-gauge CCA wire. Its low resistance makes it ideal for various applications, from car audio to RVs and solar projects. The color-coded jackets simplify installation. This wire is designed for ease of use. Its soft-touch PVC jacket remains pliable, allowing for effortless routing through tight spaces. It's compatible with standard connectors for a clean and stable power connection. Avoid wiring mistakes with our clearly marked black and blue jackets. This feature helps you quickly match polarity, ensuring a correct and safe installation for amplifiers, inverters, or trailer power systems. Benefit from a thicker cable with a lower gauge, ensuring stable power delivery even for high-draw applications. The stranded CCA core is built to handle demanding use, perfect for upgrading your car, truck, or RV's power system. With a generous 50-foot roll, you have ample cable for both short and long installations. It's the perfect length for amplifier wiring kits, solar connections, or battery and ground lines, offering flexibility for any project. What we like. This option delivers high power transfer with its true-spec 4-gauge CCA. It's flexible and installer-friendly, making it easy to route through tight spots. The generous 50-foot length allows for versatile installation layouts. If you need a longer run of wire for a more complex car audio, RV, or solar setup, this product offers excellent value and ease of use. What people say. The cable is thick, flexible, and easy to run through tight spots. Feels durable, and the insulation is tough but still easy to strip. This is the perfect length to run wire from the driver's side battery all the way to my toolbox at the back of the cab for my Vever air compressor. True 4-gauge, good flexibility, nice insulation. Cable was nice to work with and it handles an 80 amp current draw without issue in your typical 10 to 12 foot runs. Number 3. GS Power 10-gauge OFC copper wire. Experience enhanced performance with our 10-gauge copper wire. It's designed for superior conductivity, ensuring optimal sound quality and reliability in all your audio and power applications. This electrical wire is incredibly versatile, perfect for a wide range of projects. Easily connect speakers, amplifiers, and other devices, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Built with automotive-grade insulation, this wire is oil and gas resistant. Its high flexibility and 99.99% oxygen-free copper construction ensure safety and efficiency. It can withstand extreme conditions, operating reliably in temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +176 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use in various environments. Whether for hi-fi audio, solar panels, automotive, or home theater, this premium wire caters to all your wiring needs. It's the reliable electric wire for any project. The 10-gauge wire comes conveniently wrapped around a hard plastic spool. This design makes dispensing the wire easy and hassle-free during installation. What we like. Experience enhanced performance with this pure copper OFC wire, offering superior conductivity for optimal sound quality and reliability. It boasts a wide temperature range, making it suitable for diverse environments. If you prioritize pristine audio fidelity for your home theater or hi-fi speaker system, or need a reliable wire for solar or automotive applications in extreme temperatures, this is the premium option. What people say. This is good quality stranded copper wire with a durable and flexible jacket. The insulation is pliable and flexible. I folded it in half and it passes the test there. I tried the lighter test and it passed that test so. Very pleased with the gauge of wire. Nice and thick, providing great durability to withstand the power and heat they'll be handling. Number 2. GEARit 8-gauge CCA automotive wire. Introducing our economical power and ground wire, perfect for your automotive needs. It's a great conductor of power, offering excellent transfer thanks to its copper-coated aluminum construction. This bundled set is ideal for car amplifiers, subwoofers, or as a ground wire. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from car audio to lighting and power inverters. Designed with installers in mind, it features a strong yet durable PVC jacket. This provides flexibility, elasticity, and impact resistance, making it a great choice for indoor use. Installation is made simple with easy color-coded wires. This helps prevent polarity errors, which could otherwise cause serious damage to your audio equipment. This wire is compatible with numerous applications, including car radios, speakers, and 12V power inverters, supporting up to 300V. It's available in various gauges and colors to suit your project. What we like. This wire is an economical choice with its copper-clad aluminum construction, providing excellent power transfer. It comes as a power ground wire set, great for car amplifiers or subwoofer installs. The easy color-coded polarity identification simplifies installation and prevents errors. If you're on a budget and need a reliable wire for car audio, lighting, or 12V inverter projects, this offers a straightforward and cost-effective solution. What people say. This 8-gauge marine wire is excellent for boat wiring projects. The wire is flexible and easy to work with, making installation a breeze. It holds up well in harsh marine environments, resisting corrosion and wear. Number 1. GEARit 8-gauge CCA battery cable kit. Introducing the GEARit 8-gauge CCA battery cable kit, your all-in-one solution for automotive, electrical, and lighting projects. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a reliable and safe installation. Experience superior handling with its soft touch jacket, designed for both durability and flexibility. It's easy to maneuver and tuck into tight spaces, making your work safer and more efficient. Keep your connections organized and safe with clear color-coded polarity. The included red and black wires ensure you can easily distinguish between primary and ground connections, protecting your equipment. This kit comes with 15 heavy-duty copper lugs in various sizes, ready to be crimped or soldered. You won't need to purchase these essential accessories separately, saving you time and money. Achieve exceptionally durable and watertight seals with the included heat shrink tubing. Its adhesive lining ensures a robust connection that is waterproof, flame retardant, and chemical resistant. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from automotive and marine to general electrical work. This kit offers the versatility you need for any project. What we like. This is an all-in-one kit, providing 8-gauge CCA wire along with essential accessories. It includes heavy-duty copper lugs in various sizes and heat shrink tubing for a complete solution. The soft touch jacket ensures better handling. If you're looking for a convenient package that includes everything you need for a professional and durable automotive amp wire installation, this kit saves you time and hassle. What people say. Copper-clad aluminum works fine for the stereo installation I did for a Lexus RX 350. Just a simple 12-inch subwoofer install. Good wire flexibility and looks nice. Shielding is plenty thick. Quality of the wire, connectors and shrink wrap means a professional job when you are making up cables. Flexible. Easy to use. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.